Hello friends, today we are posting a new video on our ECnG channel where we have a patient जिनका कान का पर्दे का ऑपरेशन 2020 में हुआ था. He had ear issues in right-sided, left-sided CSM from childhood. So he has been operated by Tympanoplasty, was done in 2020, but it was not successful. Then he visited us in 2022 after seeing the YouTube channel. And they started the ECnG treatment, and they were very scared because they don't want to go for re-surgery for the similar problem again. And they trusted us, and आज इनका कान का पर्दा बिल्कुल ठीक हो गया है. And we have seen his eardrum also, and he is very happy because he has to apply for some job. और राजीव आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
Sure, sir. My name is Rajiv. I am a selected candidate of CGL 2019, and my Tympanoplasty was operated on me on 20th of October 21. But over a period of time, it my eardrum again got perforated, and basically surgery got failed. And I contacted Ankur sir on YouTube by WhatsApp, and he responded very well, very fast, and he said to come to me, and he explained each and every procedure and what ECnG is, what is the benefit of it. And sir explained it will take time, but it will heal properly, and there is no risk involved, although it is 99%. And he also explained that the eardrum has 3 layers and it will grow by ECnG technique. It's not like they will be just temporary fixed off, it will be permanent. And my suggestion for you is that if you are looking for surgery, please try and contact him. It's way more safer than this surgery. There is no risk involved, although you just need to have some precautions, and he will explain it to you. And that's it.
Thank you Rajiv so much, and best of luck for your future, है ना. And उनके father भी है आज, I think father भी काफी परेशान थे. आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे सर? Thank you so much.